What's up, guys? It is just Joe today. Kevin has some work to do, and it looks like I will be talking a little bit more this video since he loves to talk. So today we're going to talk about Etsy promoted listings. This is pretty important if you decide to actually want to scale your business. It can be really helpful, but keep in mind it does not work for everybody. If you have really popular items, this can definitely help a lot. So I'm going to run off some bullet points really quickly that have really helped me in the past, and hopefully it can help you guys too. So the first thing that I want to mention is start with a minimum budget. The minimum budget is usually $1. If you're not actually, I'm going to mention before this, is if you're not aware of what promoted listings are, essentially Etsy puts your listing at the top of the page based on how much money you spent and the keywords that you use. So by paying for promoted listings, if you're already ranked maybe 3rd, 4th, or 5th line down, you'll be at the very top of the page, and it could lead to more sales. So if you don't know where the promoted listing is, if you go into the shop manager on your Etsy account and you go to the marketing section, then after you click marketing, you'll see promoted listings, and it'll take you to a very basic screen where you can input your daily budget and then choose which products that you want to list. The second thing is you want to slowly scale. So you don't want to jump off the bat and say, oh my god, I'm making sales, and go from $1 a day to $20 a day. By doing this, you're kind of messing with Etsy's algorithm, and it could actually end up hurting you in the long run. So what I recommend to do is start with the $1 a day when you're first starting out, wait 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks, Etsy will actually start to recognize that it'll optimize your listings essentially. So what you want to do is after 2 weeks are up, increase your budget about $1 every single week. So after 2 weeks, go from $1 to $2 and so on. Try this. If you're actually seeing really good results, just don't be tempted to go a huge jump, because that can really hurt you in the end. Go from maybe $1 to $3, $1 to $4, but don't make a huge jump. Next thing that I have is it's pretty obvious, but only increase your budget if you're seeing positive results. If you're not seeing positive results after 2 weeks, what I would recommend is just to keep the budget the same. It could take a little bit extra time to really optimize the listings. So definitely just keep with it and wait a little bit longer. Resist that temptation to increase the budget as well. Now, here's a tip that it's a must, and it's not just for promoted listings, it's in Etsy in general, is make sure your listings are optimized for SEO. SEO is search engine optimization, if you guys don't know that. I've talked about it in a previous video of mine, but you want to make sure that your titles, your tags, and this is another tip, is make sure you copy the title and put it in your description at the very end. This is really helpful with SEO, and it can really help your listings as well. The next thing is only promote your best-selling items. So I know it's very, very tempting to say, all right, well, I'm putting money in, I'm going to promote all my listings, and then hopefully somebody will come and see at least one of them. Definitely resist this temptation, guys. It's not going to help. You want to promote only your best-selling items, because obviously people really like those things, but they may not end up seeing them because they're on the 4th or 5th line. So if you have your best-selling items, you put them towards the top with promoted listings, the very top row, they're going to sell. It's just a matter of time. So make sure that you're only promoting your best-selling listings at first. If you promote every single listing, you're going to kill your budget really, really quickly. I would highly recommend not doing that, and it's better for you because you're not going to spend as much money and you'll end up getting better conversions. So only list your best-selling items. Now, this last tip is not really related to promoted listings, but it can really help as well. So if you don't have the Etsy Sellers app already, I would highly, highly recommend doing it. It's great for just checking your phone, checking your stats, checking out how many people are coming to your store, checking your sales and stuff. But what they have on the app they don't have on the desktop is they have shop updates. So shop updates are essentially like a Facebook post where you can tag an item or that item of the picture that you have, as well as a little caption. So this is actually really important. So what Shop Updates does is essentially anybody that has ever interacted with your post, whether they've liked it, they've clicked on it, anything, even if they aren't favoriting your shop, they will see on their phone or their desktop on their Etsy app, your post, and it's essentially free advertising for you. It's really easy to click and buy, and it can really help out. So make sure you're doing shop updates, guys. It's one of the best things that I've ever done for my shop, and if you're not doing it already, definitely get on it. Those are the tips that I have for you guys today when it comes to promoted listings. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll be answering questions in the comments. Also, we have a great Facebook group. It connects dropshippers with handmade sellers. A lot of active, great people in that group. Make sure you check it out. I'll leave a link for that as well. And hit subscribe, guys. We're putting out videos every single day, Kevin and I, and we're really excited about the growth that we've had so far. And we're really happy to just be helping you. That's our main goal, is to just help everybody, and we love it. So, give those links a follow, and we'll see you guys on the next video.